Hello there. Welcome to our channel where we share health tips for both young and seniors to help improve our daily lives. We hope you enjoy our contents. Now, if you're over 50 and haven't tried castor oil yet, you're seriously missing out. What if I told you that just 7 days of using this ancient remedy could noticeably improve your sleep, soothe your aching joints, and even make your skin glow? It sounds simple and maybe even a little unbelievable, but the results speak for themselves. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what happens when people over 50 use castor oil for just 1 week, the real results, how to use it safely, and what to watch out for. Stick around because this might just be the natural health hack you've been searching for. You will be amazed at what you will discover about castor oil in just 7 days. So, what can castor oil really do for you after 50? Let's dive into the benefits, how to use it safely, and a few real-life stories that might just inspire you to give it a try. Disclaimer: before we begin, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. It is not a cure and should not be replaced with medical treatment or advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Alright, the number one benefits of castor oil is sleep support. A natural nighttime secret. If you're over 50, getting quality sleep can become more challenging. Hormonal shifts, stress, or just aging itself can mess with your rest. But here's the thing about castor oil: when gently massaged into the scalp or the bottoms of your feet before bed, can naturally calm your system and help you drift off more easily. It's been backed by studies showing mild sedative effects, and honestly, many seniors report waking up feeling rested for the first time in ages. How to try it tonight. Warm a little in your palms and rub it into your temples, neck, or soles of the feet before bed. You might be surprised how quickly you notice a difference. Number 2 benefits is joint pain relief, a game changer for arthritis. If arthritis or joint stiffness has been slowing you down, this is where castor oil really shines. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory compound, ricinoleic acid, applying it directly to sore joints can bring noticeable relief. Try this. Warm up the oil, massage it gently into your knees, shoulders, or hands, and cover the area with a soft cloth for an hour, or leave it overnight. Many seniors have shared that within days, they were moving more freely and with less pain. Number 3, better digestion, naturally. Let's be honest, constipation becomes more common as we age. Castor oil has long been used as a natural laxative. When taken sparingly and with caution, it can help stimulate the bowels. Just make sure to start small. Half a teaspoon on an empty stomach with a glass of water is all you need. But always talk to your doctor before taking it internally. Number 4 benefits is skin that feels softer, looks younger. Castor oil is an incredible natural moisturizer. If you've noticed your skin becoming dry or more fragile over the years, this oil can help bring back hydration and elasticity. Regular use has even helped reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Simply apply a few drops to your face and neck at night. Many people wake up to noticeably softer, healthier-looking skin. Number 5 is benefits boosting circulation. Poor circulation is common as we age, especially in the legs and feet. Castor oil's warming effect can help stimulate blood flow and reduce swelling. Massaging it into your legs a few times a week can improve how your limbs feel and even help with cold hands and feet. How to use it safely. This part is crucial. It's easy to assume that something natural means it's completely safe, but that's not always the case. Here's what you need to know. Topical use. Always warm the oil slightly and test it on a small patch of skin first. Some people can have sensitivities or mild irritation. Oral use. Start with very small doses, no more than 1 teaspoon per day, and not for extended periods. Overuse can lead to dependency or digestive discomfort. Medication interactions. If you're on medications, consult your doctor. Castor oil may affect how certain drugs are absorbed or processed. Real stories after just 7 days. I've spoken to seniors who saw remarkable results in just 1 week. One woman said her knees felt dramatically better after nightly applications. Another saw her dry, flaky skin become noticeably smoother. Of course, not every experience is perfect. One man did have a mild rash, but when he diluted the oil with coconut oil, the irritation disappeared. The key is listening to your body and starting slow. Is castor oil worth it after 50? Absolutely, if used correctly. From pain relief to better sleep to glowing skin, castor oil has the potential to improve your daily life in simple, natural ways. Just 1 week can make a difference. If you're curious where to find a quality castor oil, check the link in the description. I've added a trusted option there for you to have a look. Again, this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. It is not a cure and should not be replaced with medical treatment or advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. If this video has helped you, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, natural health tips. Also, try the castor oil this week, and let me know in the comments what you notice. I'd love to hear your story. See you in the next video.